This is the third time I'm recording this video, so it better be a good one. Hey guys, how you doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 mistakes that most people in their 20s do, and I certainly did them as well when I was 20. So like now, looking back, I can definitely share them with you and hopefully you will learn something out of them. Before we go ahead, did you guys notice anything new? No? Let me know down below, what did you notice that's different in my video today? I'd love to know whether you can see the difference or not. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel if you like the content and would like to see more videos like this one. Alright, so let's get started with the first one. The first mistake that I see most people do in their 20s, and this is the big one, is really not appreciating every single phase of their lives. When you're in high school, you're eager to finish high school to go to college. When you're in college, you're eager to finish college to go to university. When you're in university, you're eager to finish and get your degree, to get a job or do whatever. You're always waiting for the next thing. And I find it a huge mistake. Why? Because those years, you will never ever get them back. Like they're gone. How do I say that? They're buried. Appreciating every single step and stage and obstacle and challenge that you're going through. These are amazing years. Years that you're meeting people, you're making connections, maybe you're meeting the love of your life or friends that will stay friends forever in your life. These are crucial years. You need to be fully present, not really expecting the next thing and being so impatient. Number 2 mistake that I see most people do in their 20s is to refuse to work for free. And this is like a laughable one. Like, you guys, I mean, you're 17, 18, or even 20. You think that people will actually pay you for work? No, you should pay them for work because you're there to learn. You're there to absorb information and practice your gift. Sure, you may have some value to bring to the company or to your employer, but at the moment, you're not looking for the money. You're looking for that experience, for that event that's going to actually switch things around and make you think differently. So please don't go after the money. At the moment in your 20s, especially early 20s, definitely seek experience first and making connections. This is a key one. Make connections, make long-lasting relationships. Which leads me to number 3, which is hanging out with the wrong people. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah. These 2 guys, they should definitely be out of your network circle. Yeah. We say that you're the average of the 5 people that you hang out with. And definitely, we don't want you to hang out with the wrong people. People that will put you down. People that will suppress and oppress your dreams and ambitions. You need to be with like-minded people, hopefully in the positive way, and then have that support system that you need to achieve your goals, achieve your dreams, and really shoot for the moon. So definitely be careful of who you hang out with. It may be just a random sort of relationship, but some people, they stay for a long time, even if they're very toxic. So make sure you put the boundaries there. The other mistake that I see most people in their 20s do is thinking that formal education is enough to have the job or the career that they deserve. And that's so wrong. You know that, right? You know that. Yes, today, in today's world, in today's economy, it's not enough. That academic university degree that you have, it's just a piece of paper. What employers want to see, what your clients want to see, is really what you're able to do. That degree that you have, congratulations, that's amazing. However, it's not enough. You need to back it up with concrete and realistic and good experience that will support you as a human being, that will help you to learn, to grow as a human being who will be able to bring value to the world. So it may have worked for our parents, for example, it was fine. Like for them to get a degree, that was the key to a successful career. That's not the case anymore. And you know that. There is such a rough and tough competition in the world right now that you need to find ways to stand out. And by standing out, it's really your qualities as a person and your skills. The next mistake that I see most people in their 20s do is wasting money and not planning ahead for projects or even retirement. Okay, I know what you're gonna tell me. I don't have money, I don't make money. Sure, okay, all right. Now, you're watching this video, right? You're watching it on a phone, probably, or a computer. That means you have a computer, you have a phone. You also have an internet connection, right? So who's paying for that? Mommy, daddy, whoever, right? So somebody's giving you money to purchase things. However small or big that money is, definitely plan ahead and save at least 10% of your income per month. It doesn't matter how small that is. What you want to do is to plan ahead and get used to that saving, planning, and managing your money. So put aside 10% of whatever money that you get per month, put it aside for future projects or even bigger projects like retirement. You're gonna tell me, well, retirement is so far away. Sure, it's so far away, but you can do whatever you want with that money. It doesn't matter. You want to retire at 30, fine. You want to retire at 40, fine as well. You don't want to use that for retirement. You want to use it for, I don't know, you want to go to a spaceship on Mars or whatever. You have that money there. Or you want to start a business. Sure, you have some savings. So start now, and also start learning about investment and how to manage and grow money. Another mistake that I see most people in their 20s do is not looking after their health. Eating rubbish food, drinking, smoking, not working out, things like that. Now you need to know that your health is like the biggest capital that you have. Like without your health, you pretty much can't do anything. And I'm talking about physical as well as mental health. You need to start taking care of your health very early to prevent from obvious diseases. You know what I mean? So make it a habit. Like if you start now, it'll be much easier for you in the future. It'll be just a natural thing to do. You don't want at 40 start implementing a diet or implementing a workout sort of like habit. It's possible, but it's just harder, right? So if you start early, you'll be able to not only be fit, be good in your body, feel good, but also you're setting yourself to success for the future. And the last one is my favorite one, is really taking life too seriously. And I think I was one of those people who were just like, I actually didn't want to make any mistakes. I wanted to have like a perfect career, everything planned out. But the real life is real. Like there is this saying, if you want to make God laugh, tell him about your plans. And it's really that. Like now looking back, it's just so funny that I took everything really seriously and took it at heart. Nothing will ruin your life more than thinking that you need to have everything figured out in your 20s. No, you have time to make mistakes, and you have time to change minds, and you have time to change careers. And this is life. Life is a journey. It doesn't have to be like a handbook. This is what you need to do. This is what you need to do. No, it's to you to discover what's really in it for you and what's right for you. However, the only failure that I feel is the biggest one that you could make in your 20s is inaction. So the more you take action, the more you learn. Life is about trial and error. So go ahead, never mind whatever I said earlier. Just make your own mistakes and enjoy them, and just be confident that everything will turn out fine at the end. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to make the wrong decisions. It's all gonna turn out fine at the end. Just be aware of that. Alright guys, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below what is the biggest mistake that you think you should avoid in your life in general, or that you're afraid to make in your life. Let me know down below. I'll be happy to have this conversation with you. In the meantime, make sure to like this video if you liked it, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to consider subscribing to the channel so that I can actually make more of them and be more consistent, hopefully in the new year. Alright guys, thank you so much again for watching till the end, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!